Hello and welcome back. Pancake is a normal breakfast item which is usually made with all-purpose flour. Through this video, let's see how to make a healthy version of it using oats flour. And to make the pancake a bit more yummier, I have added some bananas to it. So before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also click the bell icon. For this, you need 1 cup of normal cooking oats. Grind them to make a flour out of it. So our oats flour is ready now. Add them to a mixing bowl. We need to add some more dry ingredients. To this, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. Mix them thoroughly. Next, we will be making some wet ingredients as well. To another bowl, add 1 egg and beat them properly. To this, add 1 cup of milk. Mix them properly. Then add 2 tablespoons of normal cooking oil. And mix everything properly. Now let's add the wet ingredient to the dry ingredient and gently fold and mix everything together. To this, add 2 ripe bananas. Break the bananas to small chunks using the spoon, or even you can pulse these bananas and add them to the mixture. So this is how the mixture should look like. If you have a busy morning schedule, you can make this mixture overnight and refrigerate it. Or if you're making it in the morning, just let the mixture rest for 10 minutes before cooking it. I have taken here a non-stick pan and I have kept them on a low flame. Add 1 ladle of the mixture and gently spread. After some time, you can see the bubbles coming up on the pancake. Wait for some time until the top portion of the pancake is little dry and then flip. So this is how we need it before flipping. Now let's flip. So one side of it has come perfectly. You can see the pancakes fluffing up. Similarly, repeat it for all the other mixture. Adding bananas to the pancake mixture makes the pancake a little more yummier. So all our pancakes are now ready. With the measurement that I have given here, you can almost make 9 pancakes. So our healthy and yummy banana oats pancake is now ready to be served. Here I have used honey as the topping. You can also use orange syrup, which I have done a video earlier. try this recipe at the earliest and send in your feedbacks in the comment box. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to the space for more interesting updates.